damn it.
Rafe, where are we going here?
The lighthouse. Vargas said the boat is right under the lighthouse.
But which way?
I don't know. We'll get outside and figure it out. Dead end!
The window! Nathan,
Hurry
give me a
up.
hand! There, it's open! You got it!
Then go!
Come on!
I don't see the lighthouse.
Right now, let's just get away from the cars.
Down this way! Through here! Watch yourself!
Oh, crap.
Over there, to the left! This way. No, wait. Over here, come on! Nathan, you still there?
Right behind you. Keep going.
Damn it! It's locked.
Nice! We can climb this. Shit! Another dead end.
The fire escape. Nathan, get me up there.
Come on, Sam. Ready? And...
Let's go!
Yeah, after you.
Over the roof, follow me!
Are you sure?
Seriously?
Nathan! Let's clean house! All right, we need to catch up with Rafe. Quickly.
You thought you trusted him.
I do. What point?
He's gonna leave without us, isn't he?
Not if we're quick. Come on. After you.
They're everywhere.
Fine, just keep going.
Okay, looks clear.
God damn it, this place is like a maze.
Yeah, it's like they don't want us to leave or something.
After this,
Oh, shit.
stay in
Guard!
business for a while.
Hola, amigo.
Great. Good to see you. Pick down that ladder for us.
We're close. There's the lighthouse. Like I said, stick to the plan.
Let's celebrate, yeah. That's right. Just keep searching over there. Find us. There it is.
Come on! Don't drop the cross.
All right, keep going. We're right behind you.
Now, on me! Get to the wall!
Now! Sam! Just keep going! Go!
Sam! Come on! I'll pull you up! I got you! Come on! Sam, no. No, you hold on! Hold on! Sam! Give me your other arm! Come on, reach! No! Sam!
We gotta move.
Oh no, he's still down there!
No, he's gone. Come on, the boat's just beyond the wall.
No, I can't. Can't leave him behind.
Nate, your brother is dead. Either come with me or join him. Just have it your way.
Sam. Oh God, no. No. Sam. I'm coming. I gotta keep coming.